picked the Aisin Transmission Ram 3500. We get very good power gains out of it. The truck is still able to maintain its primary focus of being a truck, and it's just a great platform to be able to use. We wanted to focus on something that our core customers could focus on and be able to build and attain themselves. The Dog BDX for this application gives you a couple of different things. First off, it gives you 3 power levels, the highest power level attaining a little over 100 horse and 200 foot-pounds of torque. It gives you improved drivability. We actually go in with this application and give you improved engine braking for your heavy tow guys. Most of all, it gives you an improved user experience overall that is just very enjoyable. What I love about what I do is I feel like I get paid to play. I live, eat, sleep, and breathe vehicle calibration work, especially diesel work. And to be able to build something that I can be proud of, that I can put my name on, that I get to see firsthand customers get personal satisfaction out of and enjoyment and a better user experience of their vehicle that they've purchased, that's just amazing for me.